Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about the potential Phantom Wallet airdrop, and apart from Phantom Wallet airdrop we are also going to talk about other airdrops that you can farm on the Solana ecosystem using the Phantom Wallet. Also please note that this is a potential airdrop and Phantom Wallet haven't promised about its airdrop as of yet, but I personally think that in future it will do an airdrop for the community. Although none of this is a financial advice, and please do your own research. Now, with regards to funding raised by Phantom Wallet, raised 118 million US dollars as funding with a current valuation of 1.2 billion. Now, to be honest, this is a pretty decent valuation, and as you can see, there were these two rounds of seed funding over here. In the first round, they managed to raise $9 million, and in the second round, they raised 109 million US dollars. Now, before we move on to Phantom Wallet airdrop farming and other airdrops on the Solana ecosystem, if you want to buy coins and tokens and also deal in futures, you can sign up on Bybit using my referral link, which will give you the highest tier of rewards, which up to $30,000. Or alternatively, you can use my referral code as crypto505. And once you create an account on Bybit, you would be also getting access to exclusive airdrops on the Bybit centralized exchange. Now, in order to farm the Phantom Wallet airdrop, all you have to do is you will need to go ahead and download and set up Phantom Wallet on your computer or maybe on your mobile phone. So on computer it's available on Firefox, Chrome, Brave browser and Edge. Now apart from that, it would be also available on Mac devices as well. And what you can do is you can also go ahead and download their Phantom Wallet application on your mobile phone. Now you can go ahead and create a new Phantom Wallet if you don't have an existing Solana wallet, or alternatively you can import your existing Solana wallet or other chain wallets to your Phantom Wallet. So Phantom Wallet is now officially supporting Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin and Polygon chain. Now in the future, I personally feel that they would be also adding base chain, although we are not 100% sure about this. Now once you set up your Phantom Wallet, all you have to do is you will need to go to your Phantom Wallet. Now for this video purpose, I will be using my burner wallet, and that is the reason why it's showing account number 2. So simply go over here, click on this globe over here and click on quest. Now please note that you will need to go ahead and mint this NFT. Now you can only mint this NFT using your mobile phone. So that's the reason why I would advise is you also go ahead and download this Phantom Wallet and import it on your mobile phone as well. Now after minting this NFT, you can go over here and do some basic trades over here. So you can go ahead and swap Solana for some other altcoins and meme coins on the Solana ecosystem. Now apart from that, you can also do some swaps on other chains like Ethereum, Bitcoin and Polygon. But Phantom Wallet is originally for the Solana ecosystem. So in this video, we are mainly going to focus on Solana ecosystem itself. So I would advise is do at least 5 to 10 swaps. And to be honest, this airdrop should be similar to Jupiter airdrop in the past and maybe something like Jito. Now once you do this, all you can do is you can go to Asset Dash over here and go ahead and connect your Phantom Wallet. Now there are these different games that you can play in order to earn some rewards. And if you do some swaps on Asset Dash, so Asset Dash is using Jupiter Exchange aggregator in order to make the swaps. Now once you connect your Phantom Wallet over here and connect to Asset Dash, if you do some swaps over here, you would be also getting meme coin as airdrop. So as you can see, I have received like around 54,000 bonk, and then slurp I have received few, and there are a lot of them. Like there is Mumu the Bull is there, then this one is there, then Mutant is there, GMT is there. So there are a lot of coins that you can get at airdrop for absolutely free just for swapping. Now apart from this, you can go ahead and connect your Phantom Wallet to Jupiter aggregator. Now Jupiter has already done round 1 of their airdrop, which was in January 2024, and in total there are 4 rounds of airdrops that are planned. So I think the airdrops will take place every January. So the next airdrop would be somewhere in January of 2025. Now there are some people who are already millionaires with the Jupiter airdrop because they have received a huge allocation in the past. Now in order to potentially farm both the Phantom Wallet and Jupiter airdrop, once you connect your Phantom Wallet, you can do some basic swaps over here. Then you can place a limit order as well, do some DCA, do some value average, and This perpetuals will give you the highest amount of points over here. Now please note that you can also take this leverage, but you have to be very careful with leverage because there is always a risk of margin call or liquidation. So if you don't know what you are doing, you can simply stick to swapping in between tokens. And if you are into trading and if you are an expert, you can go ahead and start using the Sol perpetuals over here. Now apart from this, what you can do is you can go to vote.jupe.ag over here and go ahead and connect your Phantom wallet. Now in this case, my Solflare wallet is connected, which I've already imported in my Phantom wallet. Now once you connect your Phantom wallet to Jupiter Exchange, as you can see, there are these active staking rewards. Now the active staking rewards phase 1 is also over, and there are more Jupiter tokens in the future as airdrop for the community. Now apart from this, you will be getting 75% of the launchpad fees from the overall pool. Apart from that, there are different airdrops for grabs on vote.jupe.ag. So in round 1, there was ZS Network, Sharky, Banks, Uprock, and I think Sharky also did a airdrop which I have received, and ZS Network, if I remember correctly. I remember ZS Network, but I'm not sure about Sharky yet. And in round 2 of LFG voting, we are expecting Sanctum to do an airdrop in the future. Then there is Nyan Heroes would be also doing. And if we talk about the round 3 of LFG voting, as you can see, there is DBridge and DVBet and Exchange Art. So Exchange Art is basically a NFT marketplace. Now if we talk about DBridge, they have this referral points and also some swapping points over here. So as you can see, DBridge is officially supporting Solana chain. So you can go ahead and bridge in between different chains if you want to go ahead and do it. And for every swap, you will be getting DBridge points, which would also potentially help you qualify for DBridge as well as some other airdrops. Now you can also head to Phantom Wallet over here and click on this globe. And as you can see, there are this lot of DeFi applications that you can start interacting. So there is Sharky, there is Meteora, MarginFi, then Jupiter that we have already talked about, Radium is there, Pump Fund DeFi is there, Bird Eye. So I'm going to show you some of the protocols that might potentially do an airdrop. Now we are going to talk about Radium. Now Radium is basically a decentralized exchange on the Solana ecosystem. You can go ahead and connect your Phantom wallet over here. And if you want, you can do some basic swaps over here, provide liquidity. Now I haven't provided liquidity on Radium because I have been actively using Jupiter Exchange primarily for getting different airdrops. Now apart from this, if you want to track coins and tokens on Solana ecosystem or some other ecosystem like Ethereum, Polygon, because if you go to Phantom wallet over here, it's supporting Ethereum, Bitcoin and Polygon as well. So you can track all these coins and tokens, and if you want to go ahead and snipe for some new meme coins or for new altcoins on Solana or other chain, you can go ahead and have a look into this as well. Now for this, you will need to go ahead and create an account on Bird Eye. You can go ahead and sign up, and then you can go ahead and connect your Phantom wallet over here. So your Bird Eye account would be created. Now we are not sure whether Bird Eye has planned any airdrop or not, but maybe in future if they happen to do, they might do. Because if we go ahead and check over here, they have something called as rewards over here. So hopefully they do a token airdrop in the future as well. Now the next thing that we are going to talk about is Drip House. Now what you can do is you can go ahead and connect your Phantom wallet once again over here and collect these daily drips, and you have the chance of getting a legendary or a rare NFT every week. So all you have to do is once you connect over here, just go ahead and collect your drip, click on this power on over here and wait for it to load, and simply go ahead and press on start over here and wait for this to load, and simply move your mouse over here. And you can also do the similar thing on your mobile phone. So all these DeFi applications and protocols that I am talking about can be done on mobile phone itself. Now I didn't get anything for this week, so I'm not sharing this on Twitter right now. So you can go ahead and do this legendary lock-in every week. Now apart from that, what you can do is you could potentially qualify for Magic Eden airdrop. Now Magic Eden might do a decent airdrop because the valuation of Magic Eden is above 1 billion, which is similar to Phantom wallet and other DeFi protocols on Solana ecosystem like Jupiter Exchange. But for farming the Magic Eden airdrop, I would suggest is having a Magic Eden wallet. for which I have made a separate video. So in this case, you can either connect your Phantom wallet or maybe Magic Eden wallet and farm this potential airdrop. So all you have to do is, once you go over here and click on these diamonds over here, as you can see, there are the diamond quests. Now if you buy some NFTs on Magic Eden, you would be getting this diamond rewards, and also if you list your existing NFTs for sale, then you would be additionally getting diamonds. And if you make some collection offers, now collection offers, if you want to buy something in bulk, then you can go ahead and do a collection offer for a specific NFT, which will give you some additional boost. And as you can see, if you go ahead and connect your Magic Eden wallet instead of Phantom wallet over here, you get 30% additional boost. Now for farming this airdrop, you can go ahead and check the other video, because I've made this video to farm this Magic Eden airdrop on budget. And to be honest, I'm farming this airdrop using Magic Eden wallet only. Now apart from this, you can go ahead and connect your Phantom wallet to Tensor. Now Tensor is another NFT marketplace on the Solana ecosystem, and they have this rewards over here. Now they have already done one airdrop which was 12.5% of the overall supply, and in future we can expect more rounds of airdrop from Tensor itself. Now apart from this, you can once again connect your Phantom wallet to Camino, and maybe you can go ahead and borrow and lend if you want to, and provide liquidity, then open positions longs and short. So if you are into futures, you can do it over here, and you can check for your portfolio as well. Now apart from this, there is Sharky, which is relatively a newer protocol, and they have done an airdrop using this vote.juke.ag, and it's a lending and a borrowing protocol. So if you are into lending and borrowing, you can go ahead and use Sharky as well. Now there is this Meteora. Now Meteora has different pools over here where you can go ahead and deposit your funds on the Solana ecosystem in order to earn some additional yields. So as you can see, there are a lot of these pools over here which you can go and earn some additional yields, and apart from that, there are vaults, farms, which you can go ahead and check this. So this is all for this video with regards to potential Phantom wallet airdrop farming along with other airdrops on the Solana ecosystem. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.